Good morning. Welcome to the mini vlog. I'm Matt Kuda. I'm a full-time software engineer building my AI side projects in my free time and living a balanced and healthy life. In today's mini vlog, I'm going to take you through my fitness AI app, EVEX, a progress update there. We're going to hit a workout at the gym. We're going to go for a run and cook some good food and just talk about life. So 6 a.m. now, I'm gonna get in 2 hours of deep work on coding right here. It's what I try to do every morning, just so I have that win in the bag for the rest of the day. Let's get into it. All right, 2 hours of deep work down, and I'm ready to show off my fitness AI app I'm building, EVEX, for the first time here on my channel. So you can see here on the right is what we have built so far. Essentially what I'm going for here is your AI fitness companion, so you can track workouts, see your progress, and use the power of AI to build workouts, answer your questions, and tailor workouts based on your workout history and goals. Next up, I want to build the actual AI chat feature, which I'll be doing later today. We'll hop back on and kind of talk about my plan there. Because that will be a core functionality of this app. So speaking of fitness, let's go hit a workout at the gym. All right, just finished up the workout. That was honestly an otherworldly shoulder day. Feel really good. Got a lot of volume in. Now we can eat. Best part of the day, honestly. I typically eat 2 large meals a day. I've done some cooking, shorts and shoulds a little bit in my last vlog, but today we got shoulds. So I dropped the fork. Pound of ground beef, served over a bed of lettuce. You can't really see the lettuce. With an egg in there, carrots, onion jalapeno, just so good. Also went to Whole Foods, got a bag of frozen fruit, frozen mango, throw that in the microwave for a minute, so good. Also cheaper than a normal mango, you don't have to cut a mango. And a couple protein bars, Go Macro, super organic. Ideally I eat an entirely unprocessed diet. Those are minimally processed. Though I am trying to bulk right now. So I am honestly getting like over 4,000 calories a day. I mean, I'm 218, 6'6" right now. I'll probably try to get up to at least 225 by the new year. It's, past mid-November now. So we'll see how that goes. And honestly, I'm still running too. So it's a lot of food I can eat. And honestly, that's good for me because I can enjoy food. Like putting on weight's never been an issue for me. It's more cutting. That's harder, at least mentally. Though I have done both quite a bit through bulking and cutting. So gonna eat this lunch, try to be productive through it. And then I'll take you guys through a more formal EVEX demo of what I'm doing with the AI features. So here you have the homepage. First thing you'll see is streak tracking. That's a big thing for me, seeing consistency. So you can see today's Sunday, we worked out today. You're then given a start workout CTA for an AI generated workout. We'll go into the exact tool calls later. This will pull in your preferences, your workout history. So if you just train legs, maybe we'll recommend you a chest or shoulder day. It knows all your numbers and statistics to give you the perfect workout at your level. Or you can also just start an empty workout and add exercises as you want. You can build out, or rather pick your exercises you want from our library. This is still very shallow. You can search, oops. Let's add these 2. Boom, you can see them in there. Okay, so first set, I hit, deadlift, we hit 315, 4, 5, we'll say, right? Check that off, boom, down here, we can see the timer going. We can say, okay, I'm ready to go. Easy way to reduce the time, skip it completely. You can add a set if you want to do a 4th set, etc. Add more exercises, cancel, Finish. You sure you want to finish? We'll save it. Boom. Obviously these stats, 0 minutes. We're only demoing it. Can copy this, text someone it, tweet it. Cool, we're done. Awesome. If we wanted to, we could have saved that workout. It would appear here in the My Saved Workouts section. Still kind of styling these out. I have no images connected to exercises yet, but we give a time estimation, calorie estimation, quick ability to start. You could also explore our pre-made workouts. We can AI generate you one. Again, you can build muscle, toning, stretch. Click into one. Yeah, these are just quick, hit workouts. If you want to go to the muscle one, here's my push day, bench, incline. Honestly, I haven't curated these yet. These are AI generated, but this one's honestly not that bad. Styling, again, it's not perfect. I'm kind of just focusing on the end-to-end functionality here, and then styling will finish up later. I didn't do any mock-ups for this in Figma. I'm still not that skill level of a designer. I am kind of figuring out as I go, pulling from inspiration of existing apps I like. So styling will come later, but end-to-end is pretty much almost there. Another tab is your history. Gotta clean this up a little bit, but you can see the simple workout we just did with one set of deadlifting. Click into it, we can view it, we can perform it again. More statistics, ability to search, profile. Haven't styled this yet really. Paywall in the bottom right, so we can get subscriptions. Achievements, I do have to build that. And this is the real sauce, is the AI coach. Can appear on any screen. I'm gonna clean up this copy, but essentially you can ask this any general question about fitness. Ask it to build your workout. Ask it a question about your workout history, like, hey, when I benched 5x5, what weight was I using last time? To be able to pull that information. You can analyze your progress, saying, hey, am I making progress on my lat pull down? Stuff like that. Stuff I find myself pacing the ChatGPT or having to recount my data, but now this stores all my data, knows the exact format to give it to an AI model to analyze and get results back in a workout I can start with one click. Pretty cool. I am building this mostly for my need and for the experience of building an iOS app like this. If you recall, TabaFit, my previous app, was a little more niche. It was Tabata, which is a unique form of HIIT cardio. It was more social oriented. That came with its hurdles, but this is just purely for you, the user, and the enhancements that AI can unlock for you in your performance, health, overall well-being. So to demo it, you could say, hey, tell me about, we have these nice recommendation pills. Yeah, tell me about progressive overload. This will send it off to the GPT-4o mini model for a response. This is a generic call. Progressive overload gives you the information, a nice markdown. You can ask a follow-up question if you wanted to. Coding with Swift has been an experience, kind of my workflow, covered it in the last video, but I'll talk with Claude Code and Cursor, do smaller stuff with Cursor ASIN mode, get the code working here. I use the Xcode build MCP to rebuild and launch my simulator once a medium or large change is finished. We'll occasionally make changes in Xcode itself, but really I only use Xcode to build it or do iOS specific stuff. So it's going good. Excited to take you guys along the journey. I'll be documenting, finishing it up, releasing it, marketing it, the whole thing. Super excited. Now on top of workouts, it's 5 p.m. now. It's getting dark here in Austin. Let's go for an 8-mile run around the lake. All right, back from the run, back from Whole Foods, got a hot bar, got some chicken thighs and salad, got my protein goal for the day. And wanted to quickly recap y'all on the main marathon I ran last month. I ran at 3:15, 42 seconds. That was a PR for me by 19 minutes in my second marathon. Super happy with it. Taking you through race day. I got a hotel in Portland, Maine with my dad, about a mile from the finish line. So woke up, crushed a bagel and banana, got dressed, laced up. Always got to write down positive affirmations, scoped out the scene. Vibes are beautiful. Maine's a beautiful state. Highly recommend y'all go. Warm-up jog, went way too far, but was warmed up, crushed a banana, crushed the bathroom. Then we were off. It's pretty packed the first 6 miles of the race because there are a lot of half marathoners. But come mile 6.5, got not very quiet, but you got a little more space. It's on the Maine coast, so ocean views, beautiful. At the turnaround at mile 13.5, I was wearing my headphones the whole time and then pressed play. So kind of made it 2 separate races. Made my brain kind of compartmentalize it better, take it 1 step at a time, and held, the 7:28 pace pretty much the whole time. Hardest mile was probably 23 for me. That's why I crushed an extra gel with caffeine just to push through, but my pace never really dipped. I was very happy with it, very grateful to be able to finish it healthy and with my dad and some good friends there, and crushed some barbecue after. So good milestone to have in the books. Not sure what race is next for me. Definitely taking a break from training for a while, just to let my body recover. I have some more strength-related goals the rest of the year, though perhaps late 2026, get another marathon or some type of endurance race on the book. But glad to have this chapter closed. And that is going to do it for today's vlog. We got a great early morning deep work session. We crushed shoulders, we demoed EVEX, its AI features, its workout collections, its future. Ran 8 miles and relaxed and got ready for the work week. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe. I'll be building and documenting EVEX on this channel, talking about how I live healthy and embrace a fitness-oriented lifestyle here in Austin, Texas, and sharing so much more. See y'all in the next one. Thanks.